Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you all doing good. It's your Sham with another video helping you to turn your trading journey into success. And today's video we are going to learn about the Bollinger Bands. Of course, you may heard many times about these Bollinger Bands, okay, and including with RSI and Heiken Aishi also. So by end of the day I am going to give another takeaway for you guys, so don't skip the video till the end. Without any ado, we'll jump into the video. Bollinger Band means Bollinger Bands are envelopes plotted at a standard deviation levels above and below of a simple moving average. So I already plotted. Let me remove this. So go to indicator. This is the Zerodha chart. Go to indicators and type Bollinger Bands. So it will be applied like this, and I'm going to change the settings, everything into black, and I'm removing the background also. So this is the basic Bollinger Band setup. Okay, this is called as a lower band, and this is called as a middle band, and this is called as a upper band. Okay, these three lines will be formed Bollinger Bands. That's a basic. Okay, and this is the moving average. It is 820. Okay, we are going to change the settings also later. Okay, and in this mainly we have to observe this, all the three bands are squeezing or tightening. Okay, that means low volatility. Okay, if it is widening, or in another word it's a bulging. Okay, that means volatility increasing and movement towards that level is going to increase also. Okay, and another point with the Bollinger Bands, if the price is moving above the 20 moving average or the middle band, it is, we can call it as an uptrend. If it is below the 20 moving average or middle band, we can call it as a downtrend. Okay, if it is hovering between these bands, it is called as a sideways markets. We can use Bollinger Bands in daily time frames and weekly, and coming to the intraday we can use it for 1 hour and half an hour, that means 30 minutes and 5 minutes and 15 minutes also. It will work like anything because it's completely working on moving average, price moving average and standard deviation. Okay, now we can plot another indicator, that is RSI. Okay, and you can make a note of these values so that it will be easier for you to practice after this video. Okay, I am changing the RSI value into 75, and the lower limit would be 25. Okay, and I am removing the background also to make it clear. Okay, and I'm changing another value here, the Bollinger Bands I'm making 30. Okay, that means it will go back to the 30 candles and take the average. Okay, and the standard deviation should be 2 only. I'm leaving it as it is. Okay, so I have changed the moving average into 30 and the 2 standard deviation as it is. Okay, and RSI would be 14 and market as a 75 and 25 is the lower limit. Okay, now the entry point. Okay, whenever the RSI is at 25 levels, we can look for the buying opportunity. Okay, in the like this, actually whenever it is touching or hugging the lower band, then we can look into for buying opportunities. And the same case, whenever the RSI is breaking the 75 levels like this and coming down, means price is rejecting at these levels, so we are looking for selling opportunities. This is the daily chart of Bank Nifty spot. Okay, and we can add another indicator to simplify this setup. Okay, what is that? That is Heiken Aishi candles. Okay, so it will remove the noises and will give us the best probability trades. Okay, in this, what is the entry? Like whenever the price is moving above the middle band with the green Heikin-Ashi candles and RSI is above 50, we can take a buy entry and stop loss would be swing low. Okay, in this case this is the one. Okay, and where is the exit? Whenever you see this red Heikin-Ashi candle, let me zoom it, this kind of a red candles or RSI is touching 75 or crossing 75, you can exit the trades. Okay, and this is the another best example to take the trades. Okay, whenever the price is touching or hugging the lower band and moving towards upwards and formed a green Heikin-Ashi and RSI also taken the support at 25, we can go ahead and initiate the buy trades at these levels, and this is the stop loss. Already here it is formed another low also, low levels also, swing low also at the same levels. It is bouncing back from these levels. Okay, we can take it as a good entry here. Okay, and here is the another example for selling opportunity. Okay, and whenever the RSI is crossing above 25, we should exit from the selling. Okay, and we can take buy opportunity here also, but immediately almost stop loss is not executed because the swing low is this line, right? Let me mark it. So this swing low is our stop loss whenever we are initiating the buy trades. Okay, so without stop loss hitting, we can ride the move till here. Okay, till we can ride the trade till here because the red Heikin-Ashi candle has formed, so we are going to exit at these levels. Okay, so I'm not showing much examples because you need to practice, then only you will come to know what is the conditions which this strategy working and which are the conditions it's not working. So you should experience it practically. So you should practice with at least 20 to 50 charts with the same setup and take entry and exits also, and just check it out, the paper trading also at least for 1 month. Mostly swing traders can use this and take with a small stop loss, and big movements we can catch by using this strategy. And you can identify the W patterns also. W pattern is the most successful patterns using in this setup actually. Okay, if you see any W patterns, you can initiate the buy positions. We can call it as W pattern. Okay, so whenever RSI is reaching at this level, it is coming down. Okay, and again at moving average, it's taken the support and it's going up. Okay, whenever we see the red candles, red Heikin-Ashi candles, we should exit the positions. Okay, and you can use the strategy with the MACD oscillators also. You can do lot of experiments with this basic setup. Okay, hope you like the video. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe and like it. It will help us a lot. Thank you so much. Your Sham, Canvic Traders.